Just imagine that you have the bunch of sentences and you need to extract the data from the sentence, like in this example. Guys, you can do it just in one click. Thank you to the REGEXEXTRACT formula. So, we write equal REGEXEXTRACT. We select the cell with our text that contains the data, in this case it is F6, comma. We add the script that I have already prepared and of course that you will find in the description, and press enter. As you can see, just in 1 second you got our result. Also, for example, if you change the type of the data, instead of a slash we put minus, the formula recognizes it and extract it. Very cool. Guys, if you enjoyed this small tutorial, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.